Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we want to dive into how to share your live location on WhatsApp. Open the chat of the person or group you want to share location with. Click on the link icon and click location. Then tap on send location. The location will be sent. The other method is to click on the link icon again. Then tap location. Then choose the first one that says share live location. Then you can set how many hours or minutes you want your location to be live. This is 8 hours. Then you can write a comment. I am currently here. Then tap on send. The location is sharing. So let's head to my second WhatsApp to check how it looks like. Click on live location. You see, this is how it will look like. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.